Changing your payout method on Outdoorsy is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you receive your payments through your preferred method. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Outdoorsy website and log into your account using your registered email address and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select payout methods. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the option to edit or change your payout method. You will be prompted to enter your new payment details, such as bank account information or payment service details. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout method, ensure you save the changes. Look for a confirmation message to verify that your payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Outdoorsy. Make sure to double check your new payment details to avoid any issues with future transactions.